Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Fortnite is available on NUBIA Red Magic 5S. So let's start with Google Play Store. It shouldn't be there, but we can check. Simply write Fortnite. And as you can see, the game is not available on Google Play Store. Now let's try Epic Games app, which you can download from their website, and click on the app. And here's our Fortnite. We can press get, and it's available on your NUBIA Red Magic 5S. We can install it, and after downloading we'll be able to play it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.